ba ang isang OFW na kahit ilang beses na na-decline ay natupad pa rin ang kanilang dream car? Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano? Panoorin mo ang video na to.
Hello, I'm Eric. I'm from Obando, Bulacan. I'm working as OFW in Singapore. Personal experience ko actually is nag-apply na ako with I think two dealers prior contacting them. So unfortunately with them, the application did not progress. So for me, my personal experience with Belle is I think she will do extra mile just to serve the purpose, meaning ma-approve lahat, kahit may mga complications yung application mo, gagawin niya lahat just to, pursue and ma-complete yung application and makuha mo yung goal mo, which is makapaglabas ng car. Thank you, Miss Bel Francisco of Peak Motors, Jose Apad Santos Branch, para matupad ang pangarap namin magkaroon ng kotse. To everyone looking to pursue their dream to have their own car, please look for Miss Bel of Jose Abad Santos Branch. Sure, approve ang application loan mo.
Thank you, Miss Bell.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-message na at tutulungan kitang matupad ang dream car mo.